The kitchen is the heart of every home. It is where meals are prepared, families gather, and memories are created. But it is also a space of opportunity for woodworkers, crafters, and artisans. Small, easy-to-make wooden kitchen products are in constant demand because they combine practicality, beauty, and personal touch. Whether it is a cutting board, a utensil, a spice rack, or a serving tray, these items have a unique ability to add value to everyday life while providing a sustainable source of income for creators. Creating kitchen products requires understanding both function and aesthetics. People do not simply buy utensils or boards because they are useful, they buy them because they enhance the experience of cooking, organizing, and serving. A well-crafted wooden spoon feels comfortable in the hand, a smooth cutting board makes chopping enjoyable, and a neatly designed spice rack turns an everyday task into a visual delight. When functionality and design intersect, these products become irresistible to buyers. This narration explores how to create simple, beautiful, and highly marketable kitchen items. We will delve into design considerations, material selection, production techniques, and ways to maximize both the emotional and financial value of your products. Most importantly, we will see how even beginner woodworkers can start small, focus on quality, and generate income with consistency and care. The key is understanding that every small kitchen item has potential beyond its immediate use. It can be sold online, at craft fairs, as gifts, or through local stores. With thoughtful design and careful execution, these products can attract customers repeatedly, build your brand, and become a foundation for a thriving craft-based business. Creating easy-to-make kitchen products begins with simplicity. The simpler the design, the easier it is to produce, the faster you can complete orders, and the lower the cost of production. Yet simplicity does not mean sacrificing beauty or quality. A well-thought-out design can turn even a basic item into a desirable product. Every curve, edge, and finish should be intentional, balancing practicality and aesthetic appeal. Material selection is critical. Hardwood like maple, walnut, cherry, or birch is ideal for kitchen products because it is durable, safe for food contact, and visually appealing. The natural grains and colors of wood bring warmth and character to the product, making it more attractive than mass-produced alternatives. Proper finishing with food-safe oils or waxes not only protects the wood but enhances its visual appeal and tactile quality. Customers will recognize and appreciate the care you put into both material and finish. The ergonomics of kitchen products is another important consideration. Wooden utensils should feel comfortable in the hand, cutting boards should be balanced and sturdy, and serving trays should be easy to lift and carry. Functionality is often the first aspect customers notice, but when combined with aesthetic appeal, it becomes a compelling reason to buy. A product that is both beautiful and practical will be used daily, remembered, and recommended to others. Production efficiency is key for profitability. Easy-to-make products should have a repeatable process that minimizes waste, reduces production time, and ensures consistent quality. Standardizing dimensions, developing efficient sanding and finishing routines, and preparing materials in batches allows you to produce more without sacrificing craftsmanship. Even small-scale operations can achieve a steady income if workflow is optimized and products meet high standards of quality. Marketing these products involves showcasing their beauty and utility. High-quality images, clear descriptions, and storytelling about your craft elevate the perceived value. Buyers are drawn not only to functionality but to the experience of owning handmade items that carry personal attention and artistry. Highlighting how your products enhance daily life, complement decor, or make ideal gifts increases their desirability. Customer feedback is invaluable. Listening to buyers' needs helps refine designs, identify new product opportunities, and improve functionality. Perhaps a cutting board with juice grooves is more desirable, or a utensil with a slightly longer handle feels better in the hand. Small adjustments based on real feedback can dramatically increase sales and customer satisfaction. By responding thoughtfully to your market, you build loyalty and trust, which is essential for long-term success. Scaling your business starts with small wins. Begin with a limited range of products, perfect their design and finish, and gradually expand as demand grows. Offer sets, bundles, or seasonal variations to keep your offerings fresh and appealing. Small kitchen products are easy to ship, display, and store, which makes them ideal for online sales, markets, and local shops. Over time, your consistent quality and unique designs will create a reputation that attracts repeat customers and word-of-mouth referrals. Profitability in kitchen products also comes from understanding the value of your time. Even if the items are small and quick to make, pricing should reflect both labor and skill. People value handcrafted items and are willing to pay for quality and care. By setting fair prices that recognize the effort and expertise involved, you maintain sustainability while ensuring customers feel the product is worth every penny. Easy-to-make kitchen products also offer a unique advantage: versatility. A simple wooden spoon can inspire additional items like spatulas, salad forks, or serving spoons. A cutting board can lead to serving trays or cheese boards. This creates opportunities for repeat sales, bundles, or collections that increase both customer satisfaction and revenue. Thinking in terms of interconnected products and complementary items amplifies income potential and allows for gradual business growth. Beyond financial gain, these products carry emotional value. Buyers are often drawn to the warmth and authenticity of handmade wooden items. The tactile quality, the natural aroma of wood, and the subtle uniqueness of each piece create an emotional connection. Products become part of daily rituals: chopping, stirring, serving, and each interaction reinforces appreciation for craftsmanship. This emotional resonance strengthens brand loyalty and builds a long-term customer base. Small, easy-to-make kitchen products are powerful tools for both creativity and financial growth. By focusing on functionality, beauty, and consistent quality, you can build products that are in high demand while developing your skills and reputation as a maker. Each cutting board, utensil, or tray you create is not just a product, it is a tangible expression of care, artistry, and value. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.